built Okecbot last year and it had a whole lot lacking. So, for instance, it lacked a CRM system, it lacked a proper project management system, and because of the things it lacked, it was very difficult to scale it. You must have noticed a very wide spread of complaints, and sometimes, orders not being tracked, orders not being followed, along with so many things not just properly organized. Now, part of what I've been studying this few months has been to organize this, and it's time to implement. So currently, right now, I'm modeling the new system of OKEC, but I just actually started anyway. I'm supposed to be doing this for now to the next 72 hours, right? So I'm going to be modeling, like rendering every single thing, and then connect them and create different layers. So from Monday next week, which is also the August, we're going to be accepting people on different roles. Now, should you be interested in any of the available opportunities, I'm going to create a section on Okecbot that's going to be called Career. So the career section on Okecbot is going to show you it's not available at the moment, but I'll just create a link around their career. The career link is going to show you the entire workforce system on Okecbot. Should you want to apply to work on any department, on any team, it's going to show you your job requirements, the specifications, and everything you would need. Now, Okecbot before now has just been a solo project with Mr. Daniel, which is an Okek, the one speaking, doing most of the work, but now we're transitioning this into a full-fledged startup. So I'm going to be doing this by first changing the schematics, which is the previous schematics. And this video is just to say that we're not going to be available for 72 hours. Within this period, your Cakeboard might not be responsive. This is especially because I'm going to be modifying the database. I'm going to be doing lots of integration. So you are advised not to use Okecbot because it's going to be unstable within this period. But from Monday next week, which is after this migration, you're not just going to have a new Okecbot. You're going to have a new Okecbot with lots of teams to help you enjoy the services that you paid for. So this is an update from Daniel Cake, and this is in regards to our downtime on maintenance. See you all on Monday, and I'll do further updates when need be across this new migration. Thank you.